Hey there, DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a super fun and creative video for you all. We'll be showing you some hilarious and unique wooden crafts that you can use to decorate your home. So, let's get started. First up, we have these adorable wooden animal figures. You can find these at any craft store or even make them yourself if you're feeling extra creative. Paint them in bright and funky colors, add some googly eyes, and voila! You've got yourself a quirky and funny addition to your home decor. Next, we have a hilarious twist on the classic "Beware of dog" sign. Instead of a typical warning sign, why not create a wooden sign with a comically exaggerated dog face? It's sure to bring a smile to anyone who visits your home. Now, here's a wooden craft that will definitely make your guests chuckle. Take a small block of wood and shape it like a banana peel. Paint it yellow and brown to give it a realistic look. Not only will this doorstop keep your doors from slamming shut, but it will also add a touch of humor to your home. Moving on, let's talk about picture frames. Instead of the usual plain wooden frames, why not add some funny captions to them? Use stencils or freehand your favorite funny quotes or puns onto the stencils or freehand your favorite funny quotes or puns onto the frame. It's a great way to showcase your sense of humor and add a personal touch to your home decor. Lastly, we have these adorable wooden coasters that are shaped like different food items. You can find pre-cut wooden shapes or cut them out yourself. Paint them to look like your favorite snacks or fruits. Not only will they protect your furniture from drink spills, but they'll also add a playful and whimsical element to your living space. And there you have it, folks. Some creative and funny wooden crafts for home decoration. We hope you enjoyed this video and got inspired to add a touch of humor to your living space. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more fun DIY ideas. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!